Hey guys, so I got this nice Impact wrench socket set on eBay for about $16, free shipping, and it's metric and it includes sockets from 10 up to 17, and then it jumps to 19, 21 and 24. They are not exactly pretty, even when you look at those numbers here. It's just like pretty rough, roughly done. But anyway, they don't look like they are very thick. So I decided to test it and see how good they are. They are actually very heavy, I have to say that. But they are not very thick. So I'm gonna put this on this Husky gun, air gun, which is actually pretty powerful. And I'm going to test it on this bolt, which is a 24 millimeter, I'm sorry, socket. And I'm gonna go for, well, either breaking the socket, which I really don't need that much, a 24 millimeter, or stripping the bolt. And I have to say that this bolt is the hardest steel that I could find on the market from Fastenal. And I was told this is the hardest bolt I can ever get. So let's see, and I'm not going to overdo it if it doesn't break. I'm just going to do normal. I am not really crazy about breaking the wrench. So let's see. Yeah, you can hear my compressor kick in, but this looks very good. Let's try to loosen it. Okay. The bolt is holding pretty well. Let's do it again. Alright, let's wait for the pressure to build up. Okay, now we got a full pressure. Let's try it again. That looks pretty good. Socket holds, bolt holds. So that socket looks pretty good, and I've seen broken sockets or split sockets. Bolt is holding very well, so I guess that should be a good set. $15.99 on eBay. Thank you for your time.